Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's pure magic, creating an animated movie for children starring talking animals. It sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a dream you can absolutely bring to life, and I'm going to walk you through how to get started. Forget massive Hollywood budgets. We're focusing on the heart of the story and the creativity you already have. Ready to create some movie magic? Let's go. First things first. Every great story needs a great idea. Think about the message you want to share. Is it about friendship? Courage, the importance of being yourself? Talking animals are a fantastic way to explore these big ideas in a way that's fun and relatable for kids. Let's brainstorm. Maybe it's a story about a shy squirrel who has to lead his forest friends to find a legendary lost acorn. Or perhaps it's about a city pigeon who dreams of seeing the ocean and befriends a grumpy old cat along the way. The key is to find a simple, clear conflict and a goal for your main character. What do they want more than anything, and what's stopping them from getting it? Start with that simple question, and you'll find your story beginning to take shape. Once you have your core idea, it's time to create your characters. This is my favorite part. Don't just pick an animal. Give them a personality. Is your main character, let's call him Squeaky the squirrel, brave but a little bit clumsy? Is his best friend, a wise old badger named Barnaby, always serious but has a secret love for silly jokes? Think about their voices. What would they sound like? Squeaky might have a high, energetic voice, while Barnaby's could be deep and slow. Giving your characters distinct personalities, flaws, and quirks is what makes them memorable and lovable. Draw them, write down their favorite foods, their biggest fears. The more you know your characters, the more real they'll feel to your audience. Now let's talk about the world they live in. Your setting is more than just a backdrop. It's practically another character in the story. Is it a sprawling ancient forest with glowing mushrooms and sparkling streams? Or a bustling, colorful city park full of hidden nooks and crannies? Think about the details. What does the air smell like? What sounds do you hear? A rich, imaginative world will pull your young viewers in and make them feel like they right there with Squeaky on his adventure. You don't need complex animations to show this. Simple, beautiful visuals and descriptive language can do wonders. The goal is to create a world that feels magical and full of possibility. With your characters and world established, you can start building your story's structure. A simple 3-act structure is perfect for a children's movie. Act 1 is the beginning. We meet our hero Squeaky, learn about his world, and discover his big goal to find the great golden acorn to save his family from a tough winter. The inciting incident is what kicks off the adventure. Maybe a map to the acorn mysteriously appears. Act 2 is the middle part, the journey itself. This is where Squeaky faces challenges. He might have to cross a scary, rushing river, outsmart a sly fox, or learn to trust his new friends. This is where your character grows and learns. Finally, Act 3 is the climax and resolution. Squeaky reaches his destination, faces the final obstacle, and achieves his goal. He returns home a hero, having learned a valuable lesson about bravery and friendship. Let's break down that middle part, the journey, a little more because that's where the fun really happens. This is your chance to introduce fun new characters and create exciting mini-adventures. Maybe Squeaky meets a family of singing frogs who help him cross the river, but only if he can make them laugh. Or he has to solve a riddle posed by an ancient wise owl to find the right path. These challenges shouldn't just be random obstacles. Each one should teach your character something new. For example, by working with the frogs, the shy Squeaky learns to be more outgoing. By solving the owl's riddle, he learns to think creatively. This ensures that the character's growth feels earned and meaningful by the end of the film. Now, how do you actually write this? You don't need fancy software. Start with a simple outline, just a few bullet points for each scene. Then start writing the script. A script format is simple. Write the character's name and then the dialogue they say. For example, Squeaky, nervously, I don't think I can cross that river. It's too big. Barnaby, calmly, every big journey starts with a small step, my friend. Don't forget to add simple action descriptions, like Squeaky looks down at his trembling paws. This helps visualize the scene. Read your dialogue out loud. Does it sound natural? Does it sound like something that character would actually say? Reading it aloud is the best way to catch clunky lines and make your writing shine. Let's talk about visuals. You might be thinking, but I'm not a professional animator, and that's completely okay. The beauty of modern technology is that there are so many accessible tools out there. You can use simple animation apps on a tablet, create stop-motion animation with clay figures or toys, or even make a motion comic using still drawings that you pan and zoom over. The style isn't as important as the consistency and the heart you put into it. A simple, charming style that's full of personality is far better than a technically complex one that feels cold. Focus on clear facial expressions and body language to convey emotion. A raised eyebrow, a drooping tail, a joyful leap, these are the things that bring your characters to life. And don't forget the power of sound. Sound design and music are your secret weapons for creating atmosphere and emotion. The chirping of birds can make a forest feel peaceful. A sudden, sharp musical note can signal danger. A cheerful, upbeat melody can make a scene feel joyful and exciting. You can find tons of royalty-free music and sound effects online. Think about your movie's theme song. A catchy, simple tune can make your movie incredibly memorable for kids. Sound is 50% of the viewing experience, so spending time on it will elevate your film from a simple project to a captivating experience. Finally, the most important ingredient is you. Your passion, your unique voice, your sense of humor. Don't be afraid to be silly, to be heartfelt, and to create something that you genuinely love. Kids can tell when something is made with joy and authenticity. The goal isn't to create the next Disney blockbuster on your first try. The goal is to tell a wonderful story, create characters that kids will adore, and have an incredible amount of fun while doing it. The process of creating is a journey in itself, just like Squeakies. You'll face challenges, learn new skills, and end up with something you can be incredibly proud of. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a notebook, start sketching that shy squirrel or brave pigeon, and think about the story you want to tell. The world needs more magic, and you have the power to create it. I can't wait to see what you all come up with. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this sparked some inspiration for your own animated adventures. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on creative storytelling, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. Let me know in the comments what kind of talking animal movie you'd create. Until next time, keep creating.